Hello and welcome to Talk Audio TV. My name's Adam Rayner. Today we're going to be looking at a bass making device, but not one of these great big huge ones, one of the small variety that go under the seats in sports cars or in cars where you've really got no space at all. It's the Clarion SRV 313. This is the remote control for it, but let's pan on round and have a little look at the box itself. Oh, that's the loft hatch to the Loft of Dreams, where all the review kit is actually kept. And that is the little unit. The connections are RCA, or else there is a speaker connection you can get. Basically, you just take it off whatever speakers are nearby, and they don't have to be that nearby because you get a great big loom. This is the length of the wire that you get that goes with this remote control. And the remote control has got, as you can see, a little gain knob on the end there for turning it all the way up and down. And on that end you can see we have the frequency selector, which is 125, 100, 75 or 50 Hertz. Now obviously it's not a huge piece of kit. There's a 6.5-inch speaker in there. It's very cunning. There's a neodymium magnet on it, and it's on the front of the cone inside that box there. And there's also a circuit in there called Max Bass, which might sound like a faintly sort of naff, ooh, that's cool. But in actual fact, Max Bass are from a company that, I'll put it this way, they sell their processing to Hollywood, and my mate Mick Hughes, what engineers from Metallica, they use it as well. It's a psychoacoustic enhancer. It's a little bit complicated to try and explain, but just have a little... Oh, hang on, let's just turn Katie up here. We've got Kate Nash, one-hit wonder, bless her, but... I let go, but I can't. The dirge of girlfriends stuck with crap boyfriends. I can actually, there's a little bit of a bump coming off that. It is possible to set it so that it actually works rather nicely. I reckon. Oh, and there's a phase control here as well, of course. Not that you'll hear a great deal working on that, but the idea is that if you have it in the wrong place, you can actually flip the phase, especially if you've connected something up wrongly, or even if it just works better in your car with the phase flip. So SRV 313, it's just a little bit over 100 quid, cast aluminium box, and it is one of the better ones, I have to say it. They are limited by their size, but these are made by Mutant and Alpen and Focal and Kenwood and all kinds of people, but this one, just a little bit cleverer than some, the Clarion SRV 313, and if you need underseat bass, well worthy of your consideration.